Gusto naman kababayan natin, sagutin mo ng diretsahan ito, no? And kung hindi niya sasagutin yan, hindi siya haharap, again, that's her call, but that's also a decision that she will have to explain to the public. Bakit tayo niya harapin ng diretso?
So hi citizen, so update lang tayo about impeachment. So gusto ng taong bayan na umarap ka sa Senado at sumagot ka sa Senado. Gusto lang namin malinawin and gusto namin na ikaw mismo sumagot dun sa mga paratang na binibigay sa'yo.
Point, there's no subpoena yet issued by the court to require her, no? Because although initially si Attorney Capuna nasabi niya yan, no, she inquired nung narinig namin ba if is she in the building, no, because that's one of the options that we're considering, patawag siya sa our own witness, but we have not done that. So hindi pa naman siya compelled, no. And dun sa at the start din nung nag-issue ng order ang court, no, to appear, nakalagay naman ho doon personally or through counsel, and she chose the second, no. But regardless, sa amin, we also hear the sentiment of the public na napakaliwanag, no? There are very serious accusations leveled against her in these impeachment proceedings. We're talking about unexplained wealth consisting of financial transactions worth 6.7 billion pesos. Dito ho dun sa confidential funds, these are worth 500 million pesos, Office of the Vice President, 1.12 Department of Education. No? Napakaseryoso. Even the assassination plot against the President, no, or the agreement to assassinate the President, which she admitted publicly. So, dapat, kaya nga narinintindihan natin, gusto naman kababayan natin, sagutin mo ng diretsahan ito. No? And kung hindi niya sasagutin yan, hindi siya haharap, again, that's her call, but that's also a decision that she will have to explain to the public. Bakit tayo niya harapin ng diretso?